open the photo that you want to resize. Open this photo. Here you can see preview. If you didn't find this option, right click and here you can see preview. Click it here. Here you can see tools. Click it here and click on adjust size. Here you can see several options. If you want to fit into 320 multiply 320, you can select these sizes. If you want custom sizes, you can adjust it. You can adjust width and height, and here you can see centimeter. If you want in pixels, percent, inches. If you want to resize proportionally, you can enable it. If you don't want to resize proportionally, you can uncheck this option. As you can see here, there are different options as well. If we choose pixels, here we can adjust the size. It will adjust the width and height. If we adjust the width, it will adjust the height accordingly. Let's say 400. Because it is selected as scale proportionally, we change to 800. As you can see, the height is adjusted accordingly because it is selected scale proportionally, and then click on OK. Now if we check the size, right click and here you can see get info. Here you can see dimension 800 multiply 493. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.